Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So OnePlus 7 just received an update. It's Oxygen OS version 9.5.7 and here as you can see this is the update log. So these are the system features. Optimize the sensitivity of automatic brightness. Let me just tell you guys that I tested this automatic brightness. It's still quite hit and miss. Sometimes it automatically reduces the brightness when I really don't want the brightness to be reduced. But it works nicely in the dark environment. I will show you that in this video. The second feature is optimize the speed and accuracy of GPS while screen is off. Now this is a good thing. I actually did not tested it, but generally the GPS functionality works nicely with the phone and this feature will help it in getting more better. The third feature is added sound enhancement for OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2. Here they have mentioned settings, sound and vibration, Dolby Atmos, earphone adjustment, earphone sound enhancement. So I don't have Bullet earphones, so I cannot explain this feature in detail. And the last one is general bug fixes and improvements. I'll show you all the benchmark results as well. Coming on to the camera section guys, the first feature here is improve the performance of camera mode switching. We'll be seeing that. Improved experience of autofocusing in some scenes. We'll be testing this. Improve the effect of photo stitching in panorama mode. Now I haven't used the panorama mode a lot, but we'll be seeing this as well. And the last feature here is improved photo quality of 48 megapixel JPG in Pro mode. I'll compare the photo sample here with Redmi K20 Pro. So first let me just show you the benchmark results. Here as you can see AnTuTu benchmark score is 368,679. CPU score is around 123,000. GPU score is around 157,500. UX score is around 75,402. And the memory score is around 125,000. Again the Geekbench scores are very impressive. Single core score of 3,497. Multi-core score of 11,187. Just to give you a quick idea here guys, K20 Pro scores around 369,000 in AnTuTu and in Geekbench. Single core score for K20 Pro is 3008 and multi-core score is 10,347, but you can see that OnePlus 7 has a lead here, but K20 Pro has a lead in AnTuTu. And this is the 3D Mark Slingshot Extreme OpenGL score 5,757. Slingshot Extreme Vulkan score is around 5,069. Let me just show you for K20 Pro as well. Here K20 Pro is considerably behind OnePlus 7 and this is why OnePlus 7 generally produces much better performance in emulators while running the games. OpenGL score for Redmi K20 Pro is 4,587 and the Vulkan score is 3,995. Is considerably lower as compared to OnePlus 7, and with this update OnePlus 7 will still be performing like a champ when it comes to gaming. Alright, let me just show you how you can update your phone first. Go to settings, then go to system and then tap on system updates. So here as you can see it is showing me your system is up to date because I have already updated it. For you it will show here download and install the update. This is the screenshot that I took. So just tap on download and install now and the update will start to download. And after that just install it, your phone will reboot and phone will be up to date. Now guys, the thing is that this update will be released in a timely manner, so you may not be seeing this update on your mobile, but don't worry, you should be soon getting it. Alright, time for the auto brightness test. So I have enabled auto brightness and let me just unlock the phone. So this is the brightness level. Here as you can see auto brightness is enabled. So now I'm going to switch off the lights and we'll be unlocking the phone and we'll check out how much is the brightness level. Alright guys, so the lights have been switched off and let's just try to unlock the phone and see the brightness levels. Alright guys, so I'm not sure if you are able to observe it, but I can definitely say that auto brightness worked here and brightness was lowered considerably. So the auto brightness in dark environment works very nicely. But let me tell you guys that I actually used it for about a day. The brightness levels were decreasing quite randomly and I was not impressed with it, so I disabled it. But in the dark environments it worked very nicely. So let me just switch on the lights. Alright, so I switched on the lights and let's just try to unlock the phone. Check out the brightness levels. So here as you can see guys, now phone is bright enough. Here auto brightness worked very nicely. And guys, this is the Android security patch level. Here as you can see it's 1 June 2019. Coming back to our camera features, let's check out the performance of camera mode switching. I'll compare it with Redmi K20 Pro. Let's just open the camera interface of both of these devices. So I'll try switching between modes between these two devices. This is K20 Pro and this is OnePlus 7. Let's just switch to the photo mode on both devices at the same time. I think OnePlus 7 won here. Very close. You are the judge. I'll just switch to the video mode now. OnePlus 7 definitely won here. So mode switching is working very fast on OnePlus 7. So I'll switch to the video mode now. Let's see which phone opens it first. Yeah, OnePlus 7 definitely won here. Both of these devices are set to 4K UHD. Nonetheless, OnePlus 7 mode switching was very fast. Let me just switch back to photo mode and see which phone switches it first. Yeah, OnePlus 7 won here again. Let me just switch back. OnePlus 7 won again. So that's working very nicely. Good to see OnePlus is working on their camera interface. Let's just check out the other feature, guys. Improved experience of autofocusing in some scenes. Alright, let's just test this. So I'll try focusing on this battery. For now it's focusing on this flower. Okay, that worked nicely. And it did not work. Here as you can see, it's struggling to focus it. Now it has focused it. Let me try that again. Yeah, it focused it, but it took some time. Focused it again, worked again. Alright, so it's working nicely. Just need to make sure that you are placing the object in the middle of the viewfinder. Sometimes it can miss it, but it's focusing it for majority of the time. So focusing is working very nicely. Let me just give you an idea on K20 Pro as well. So now it's focusing this flower. Now let me just place the battery, and it focused on it instantly. Yep, again. So you can see how fast it is. Let me just quickly jump back to OnePlus 7. Yeah, so it focused. Yeah, so OnePlus 7 is also fast, but I think K20 Pro is slightly faster than this, but good job. OnePlus has definitely improved the autofocusing of this device as compared to how it was on day one. Alright, let's just move on to the next feature. Improve the effect of photo stitching in panorama mode. Alright, so to access the panorama mode, just swipe here and tap on panorama here. So guys, I tried taking a lot of panorama shots and the results were quite good. Let me just show you the sample as compared to the one taken on K20 Pro. Yeah, so in my left hand I have OnePlus 7 and in my right hand I have K20 Pro. This is the same panorama shot that I took on both of these devices, and OnePlus 7 definitely did a better job here. You can see that the picture is much wider as compared to K20 Pro. And let me just zoom in and show you some details. Now the thing is, guys, that you need to be very stable when taking the panorama shot. So it is slightly difficult to take a very nice panorama shot. You may end up wobbling at some place. Now the thing is, guys, the details were kept nicely. I'm really not a fan of these vibrant colors, and here I thought that it would have been nice if the vibrancy was a bit on the lower side, because the yellow, orange and red colors are really oversaturated to a very high level. Overall, I was not disappointed by its range, and here as you can see, guys, stitching here did not work properly. There is a slight blurry effect. This is here where I was wobbling, but the wide range of panorama shot really impressed me. Let me just show you the same shot on K20 Pro now. Immediately you can see that the vibrancy level in K20 Pro are kept to a lower level as compared to OnePlus 7. But I have to say, guys, that they resemble the natural colors, and OnePlus 7 was really oversaturating these bright colors. Details are kept nicely in this shot as well. Again, this is that stitching part, and you can see even here there is some slight blurry effect because I had to rotate 180 degree and I had to move a lot. That is why this is the area where blurring appears. And the shot ended here. OnePlus 7 pic was more wider than this. So the last feature here is improved photo quality of 48 megapixel JPG in Pro mode. So just swipe here and tap on Pro mode, and here as you can see, guys, JPG 48 megapixel is selected, but you need to tap on it because it may not be selected by default. Yeah, so these are the settings. I generally don't tweak them, and I took some photos using the 48 megapixel mode of OnePlus 7 and K20 Pro. Let me just show you the samples. Yeah, so this is the photo that I took using 48 megapixel mode of both of these devices, and here as you can see, guys, on K20 Pro the green is actually more natural as compared to OnePlus 7, but it depends on personal preference. Some people may like the oversaturated green color here, but this is the 48 megapixel shot, so we'll be zooming in to check out the clarity and we'll be comparing it on both of these devices. So guys, on zooming in, yeah, here as you can see, text is still visible, but let me just show you the same text on K20 Pro. On OnePlus 7, I can definitely read the text. So this is K20 Pro, guys, and even on K20 Pro, text is visible. Now, if you ask me, the text is much better on K20 Pro as compared to OnePlus 7. I'm not sure if you will be able to observe here. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, so this is on OnePlus 7, and here as you can see, the MFG by is not visible properly. Let me just show you this same text on K20 Pro. I took around 5 to 6 pics, and these are the best pics. But here as you can see guys, MFGBY is much more readable on K20 Pro, and this is where K20 Pro won. But let me just show you one more thing. So guys, at the top of the box 2070 was written in green color and OnePlus 7 was not able to capture the color. But let me just show you the same text on Redmi K20 Pro. Here as you can see guys, K20 Pro was able to capture 2070 with its original color, and this is where K20 Pro won. Let me just show you that again. So here as you can see guys, on OnePlus 7 the colors were not captured properly, and on K20 Pro the color was captured properly. And guys, these are the details for the pic taken. Immediately you can see the file size is around 10.59 MB, resolution is 6000 into 8000, and you can see the other details yourself. So guys, I'll end this video here. I hope you find it useful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you did not, you can hit the dislike button. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you're looking forward to such similar content in the near future. Thanks for watching guys, and have a nice day.